people look like they have a much better life than they really do. People are posting pictures of when they're really happy. They're modifying those pictures to be better looking. Even if they're not modifying the pictures, they're at least selecting the pictures for the best lighting, the best angle. So people basically seem they're way better looking than they basically really are.
Right.
And they're way happier seeming than they really are. So if you look at everyone on Instagram, you might think, man, there are all these happy, beautiful people, and I'm not that good looking and I'm not happy. So I must suck, you know, and that's gonna make you feel sad. So when in fact, those people you think are super happy, actually not that happy. Some of them are really depressed. They're very sad. Some of the happiest seeming people, actually some of the saddest people in reality. And nobody looks good all the time. Doesn't matter who you are.
No.
So I think things like that can make people quite sad. People generally think of themselves relative to others. We are constantly rebaselining our expectations. No, I think people should be nicer to each other and give more credit to others, and don't assume that they're mean until you know they're actually mean. You know, it's easy to demonize people. You're usually wrong about it. People are nicer than you think. Give people more credit.